If your cat climbs onto your chest in the middle of the night, do not move it. It's not trying to wake you up, it's protecting you. Cases have been reported in New York and Vermont. Most people said the same thing. Their cat climbed onto their chest and refused to leave until morning. You're asleep, the room is quiet. Then you feel weight. Your cat is on your chest, staring at the corner of your room. First, stay completely still. If your cat feels heavier than normal, do not move it. It's not lying on you for warmth. It's placing itself between you and something near. Second, do not look where the cat is looking. If you follow its gaze, you acknowledge it. And once it knows you're aware, it gets closer. Third, if your cat starts purring or pressing its paws into you, let it. It's keeping you grounded. Because the moment your chest is clear, there is nothing left protecting you, and whatever has been watching won't hesitate. Share this with someone who has a cat to notify them.